shows improves emotional understanding, with more than one quotient with so, example, responding to others. So, children can respond to others' emotion by smiling at others. They are share toys with others. Then, wala na ko namutap na ito, emotional intelligence. So, emotional intelligence is the ability to manage both your own emotions and understand the emotions of people around you. So, emotional intelligence is kabalo ka manage kung kawalingon o kabalo ka ma-understand sa imong emotion o sa other na tao. Ayun, emotional intelligence has four main areas, which is the developing emotional self-awareness, managing emotions, reading emotions, and handling emotions. So, start na din sa handling emotions. So, handling emotions is how you handle your emotions and others. So, ako lang handle yung emotions o sa ubang tao. Then, sa reading emotions is the ability to understand how someone is feeling by paying attention to their non-verbal cues such as facial expression, body language, and